Lost count all of a sudden. 3-2 now.
Dad, do you want anything?
Couple more in there. Whoa! And one more carry. Hayden and Connor James winners on the water balloon contest. Back up to you, Rich.
Grab the beach ball. These will go on me now. They're trying to break it down here. We have one little guy at shortstop who's going to run down, break this up. Grab some fun and fruit roll-ups and roll out the fun with your game and over on the go. Fruit roll-ups are a great snack for the kids. Time for the lights. John down the spot 30 is Carl Long. Here in the other of the silver dot GHG8613. That's your vehicle.
Want to smile? Yes. Oh, she's beautiful. It's a regular kind of ball game, huh? Oh, you cheer for me. Oh, what happened? What happened?